Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're actually going to be doing a little bit of an install on this Focus. It's a maintenance thing, I guess. So my window wipers slowly started to not work. So when I would have them on full bore, it would go like this, really slow. And yeah, and then now they're not actually working at all. So I'm going to put the key in, and then as you can see, nothing. And I've already tested all the fuses and stuff like that underneath there, all fine. And yeah, so I went out and brought another motor and assembly down the Gold Coast the other, literally 2 days ago. This is it here. I do believe it goes like this in the car, so we'll whip this off real quickly and I hope for the best. But yeah, alrighty, so you just want to grab a 15mm and just crack these bad boys open just like that, and then whip these off, bobs like that. So the window wipers are off, and now you just have to take these clips off just like that. Mine doesn't have all the clips, but yeah, as you can see, this all just comes off like this and then reveals you down there. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to actually unplug this one that I've got in there, unplug it real quick, and then plug it into this one and see if it works. Fingers crossed it works. Ah, too good. Oh, I'm so happy. You don't know how happy I am with the working windscreen wiper motors, because driving in the wet is a little bit sketchy, but I do have stuff on the windscreen, so it just beads straight off. But it's always good to have windscreen wipers just in case someone fucking, you know, a little bit of a bird shit on there, fucking, you know. But now I need to just whip these 3 bolts off and then ouch. Okay, so let's play guess the bolt. Alright, so not a 10mm. Oh, I'm shocking, I'm way off. So it's a 8mm. Oh, there goes me 10mm. Yep, 8mm. There we go. Here we have it. There we go. Oh, wrong way. Alright guys, so just keep in mind when you're taking out these window wiper motors, they're a little bit of a pain in the ass, just like I'm having now. But what you want to do, because they won't come out like straight out like that, so you'll have to move it down slightly and then back at the same time. So I'll show you when I'm putting the next one in, and because it catches on this part here, and yeah, not too good. Alright, so as you can see right here, you just have to push down so it clears this part here, and then over, and then push it up towards there, and then push it in the back there, just like that, and then something like that. It's meant to stay like, but I'll fix shops. Alright, so I don't know how well you can see that, but you just have to move it back a little bit, well, underneath there. I know it goes over top. No, does it? No. There it goes. It goes over top like this. So it goes like this. Nope, it goes under. That's right, it does. So I find it a lot easier to put in the middle one first, then put in the outside ones, just because it holds up pretty much everything. Alright, so she's all put back together. Need to clear all these away, and then yeah, it's gonna be good. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Uskan, Uskan, Uskan. It's broken. Now I need to just put all that stuff back together. So you'll see it in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Special time. Hey, fucking good diamond, mate. Good diamond. So yeah, she's all back together. And let's, you know, try it out for the first time. Oh, look at Jasper. Let's give it a go. Oh, sad fella, ran out of water. Alright guys, so this is when we leave today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button. So yeah, I know it's a little bit of a short one, but it needed to happen because it was driving me insane. I couldn't clean my windscreen. I had to stop at service stations, and then even then the shit that they had was really bad and it would scratch the windscreen. Anyway guys, so now I fixed that, but bear in mind this Focus over the next few, hopefully a week, it will be fully done, but I promise you guys it's going to be different. Like, it's going to be completely different. But guys, so stay fresh, stay clean, and I'll see you guys in the next scene. Yeah, yeet!